Hello, America. I don't know if this is a problem you have, but I have broken almost every zipper on every suitcase, backpack, article of clothing I have. I don't know if I'm using a wrong zipper technique. The metal piece here breaks off. The zippers themselves break off. Sometimes they're metal, sometimes they're plastic, rubber. Some of my outdoor gear kind of makes sense because they're exposed to, sun, rain, cold, freezing hot temperatures. I have some on my bicycle that are kind of this rubberish, and they've just disintegrated. I've broken like 5 off of that thing, so that makes sense. But anyway, I have this hoodie, which for the last 3 years has been a pullover because the metal zipper on this snapped in half, and I haven't been able to unzip it down. This hoodie has been through a lot. It used to have sleeves. Eventually, just all the elastic and the sleeves kind of wore off. Anyway, I'm not giving it up. I'm just going to wear it. It's going to outlast me. But replacement zippers, the point of the video, I've tried making them out of like key rings and like leather or cloth tags. They work great. Some of the key rings are a little bit flimsier with the force. They stretch and bend, and then I can never really get the tassels and little suede or leather strips compact enough as like a rail zipper. I tried 3D printing a couple, and the original designs I found were kind of two-piece, one piece to go around the loop and another piece to go over it, and then you can kind of glue that or lock it in place, but they're very bulky and heavy. I didn't like them. But I found a new design that I've replaced a couple times already. And it's simple because it just opens up, so you don't need two pieces. It's thin, it's solid. So we're going to try it out. I've had a couple of these on my... That's not going to work. It's not going to work at all. Okay. So they're very small, so I was printing these with some scrap filament I had. Just kind of left over. There wasn't enough for anything else. But I have one that I even ran out of filament, so it's even thinner. So I'm going to see if I can use that. There's like another piece inside the zipper pull. What the heck? That's not going to work. Because you can't even press it down. It's almost like there's a little lock in there. Okay. Here's a little metal key ring. I did this so I could like wear the zipper and pull it down. But it'd actually be easier if I wasn't wearing this. Okay. I had a hat once. There we go. Okay. So this is a small little metal key ring I had laying nearby. Let's try that. Ugh. Crappy knife. Make a simple 2-minute video, they said. It'll be easy, they said. Nothing ever goes as easy as you want it to. There we go. Come on. There. Oh yeah. Instantly started moving. Okay. So I've never seen a zipper like this. It's not just the metal tab. There's like a little metal piece inside it. It's like a two-part lock, and it won't move unless that smaller hole. That's why I was having trouble getting the normal zipper pull in there. Okay, so I got that key ring in there. And again, you can do a little piece of cloth strap. You can, I'm just going angled. This is the first time in 45 years? 5, 6? I haven't unzipped this hoodie in a very long time. Because you couldn't even move it by hand because you had nothing inside that piece to be able to lock it. So now the problem is this little zipper pull is going to angle the wrong way. Because it's meant to go kind of perpendicular and it's kind of rotated. So maybe I'll just make a cloth or like a leather pull like I originally talked about. So never mind. I was going to show off this cool little thing. It's a bust. And I can just grab this little metal piece. What do I have? Actually, what would be really good is I used to have the drawstring from the hood that just got eaten by the washer one too many times. That would have been really nice actually to reuse the same material for a little tie. But I actually have a piece of sleeve from the same hoodie. So, don't use scissors without adult supervision or something. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm mumbling a lot today. I'm sorry. Oh man, this thing's getting so janky. But we did it, America. We fixed my. I don't like a pullover. I don't like knocks off your hat, your glasses, everything. I don't like it to go over my head. But this thing's so comfy. It's just broken down from whatever structural integrity it used to have. I'm gonna break this zipper right now. Okay. Got a drawstring, got a loop. Done. So, get out there, repair your stuff. People who buy things are suckers. Thanks for watching, America. Don't forget to like and subscribe.